What's up? What's up, guys? This is Cal, and this is the Cal Nice Place. And I'm gonna be playing SCP Containment. I don't think I've played this before, even though I'm a huge SCP fan and all. This game really isn't that scary. I mean, people have really overrated it. It's really... I've never had too many, like, terrible jump scares. So you save by pressing F1. That took me, like, years to find out.
This site is experiencing multiple...
Open. Oh, there you are, you little bitch! Are you? No. Should we move out of the way? Here we are. Hello? Dude, stop doing that! You need to really stop doing that. You sexy! Sexy beast! Right in time. Oh! Alright, he's gone. Alright. This room. The ambience is pretty creepy. Photo needs, what is it? Okay, so I don't know what just happened, that's why I'm so silent. It's quite dark in here. Well, I don't really want to read those. They're not really very interesting. Someone get... Maybe that increases your... Where is it? Maybe with the dragon. There we are. Oh, this is good.
Listening to SCP Foundation on-site radio, your 24/7 source for pre-recorded messages.
Where there? I don't know, where is he? I don't know what just happened. Really, is he in here? Is that like a... Alright, it's getting annoying, isn't it?
In the event of an XK-class end-of-the-world scenario, don't panic. It won't help. Nothing at all will help. However,
Who's fapping? No, hey, get back. No, well, they're not buttons. I don't know why I would do that. It doesn't make sense to me. Alright, so... Alright, let's keep it here. Hey, camera. Couldn't connect to map database. Heck. Oh, card. I don't need. Actually, you know what? This navigator. Right. This navigator thing. I don't buy into those navigators. They don't even work. Wow, another room. Wait, level 2. I believe that's the highest level. Well, that's just level 1. I don't need that. But I mean, I think the highest level so far you can pick up as like a key card in key card form. That one always gets me right there. I'm just always electrical center. I'll insert my key card. Turned it remote control door on. Remote control, you know what? Make sure that's on. I don't know what the point of this room is. This is what I'm talking about. Really, what is this? Hey! Oh, back off! Back off! Back off! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! He's behind me. I don't want to die. No! Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I think he's gone. I can see his eyes. They freaking glow. That's amazing. He's so sexy. Beautiful, beautiful eyes. He's gone. So let's go forward from there. This is really interesting. This is an eventful episode. Very eventful. A little bit too eventful, if you know what I mean. So let's go back down here. See, that's where I came out of, that weird place. Right there. Where is this? It's I don't know. What is this? What even is this? I don't know. Ooh. Let's get out of here. I don't see him. I don't know. I don't even know. Well, I'm gonna keep continuing. I don't know. It's almost over. Just gonna walk across there like no one's beeswax. Not cool, man. See if that says level 3. Nope, just level 2. Alright. Where are you? Oh, I don't care, I didn't see him, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Alright. Alright. Come on, is that right? It's no good. Alright. It's no good. No good here. Where should I go? I don't know. Just keep going straight. I mean, you know, you can never go wrong just being straight, you know, knock them out. I guess you can. I mean, there's nothing here except for... There really is nothing in there. That was kind of weird. No, let's go right. Which is also left. Which is also up. It's also straight. Anyway. Just where you came from and where you're going. What shoes you're wearing. Gas mask on? No, don't need it on. Okay. 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 Let's go this way. Currently, there's no exit to the building, so am I really allowed to come? No, there's no exit to the building currently. Did I just... Isn't this just where we were? Oh, I get it. It's a maze. Rule. Only side fans will get that. Just go left. I hate mazes. They're always so gay. Man. Okay, let's go this way. Let's see. Alright. Well, alright. Well, we're gonna have to end the video here. Leave a comment, why not a like? Why not favorite if you really like it. Yeah, I'll see you guys whatever video, whatever I feel like creating. So yeah, bye.